Your niche matters more than you've ever recognized. If you're a web designer or a company, let's say a landscaper, you might turn around and go, well, I don't really have a niche, or I don't want to like shoehorn myself into one little area. I want to build websites for everyone. I don't just want to do e-commerce or build dentist websites. And a landscaper is going to go, well, I'm a landscaping business and I got a website and I'm doing a bit of social media marketing. I'm not really sure how I can nicheify anymore. I mean, I'm a landscaper. That is my niche. I do fencing, I do decking, I do turfing. Every business at the end of the day, even if you're in a very broad niche, you kind of have to spell out what your expertise is. So even if you're a landscaper and you go, well, that's my niche, you could be still putting out social media content and video where you're showcasing some of the specialist stuff you do. Maybe you like to do your decking a certain way. People always love to show videos of the finished article with decking. Hey, look how lovely it looks. But why don't you show what's underneath the decking? Maybe you build it a certain way. The same with web designers. You're going to say, hey, look at this website I built. Why don't you show some imagery of how you like to do your wireframing? Maybe you have an onboarding document. Maybe you're going to share like a screenshot or a snippet of your contract proposal. Or maybe when you are building, what tools do you build? So many web designers out there, they don't often say what they use. And I know a lot of clients and people out there are going to go, I don't care how you built the decking. I don't care how you fixed my teeth. I don't care how you built the website. Just make sure it looks damn good. That is true. But there will be some who are looking for a web designer or they're looking for landscaping. Everyone is showing the final product. Sometimes when it comes to nicheifying, especially if you think you've got a broad generalistic niche and you're going, well, I'm struggling here, you can nicheify by showcasing the expertise because you're now saying, yeah, I fix teeth and I'm a dentist. This is how I do it. And if you like that, people might come to you. So you've got to broaden your thinking with niching. It's not just about the type of business or the type of service. It's more about the back end inner workings. I'm Imran, Web Squadron. See you soon.